Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to create Champions League tournament. In the beginning, let's go to tournaments and select Champions League men or women tournament. Select new tournament and now select squads for pots. You've got 4 pots to select, but you can also randomize it. Select your team you want to play or you can replace team. Now press Options button. Create new tournament. Name it. Tap Done. And it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.